Okay, are we back? I think so. I cannot tell quite yet if I'm back online here. Ah, crap. How do I, what did I do? How did I create this, like, waiting room stream? That is not right. What the hell? Alright, let's see here. Making buttons in TypeScript. Yeah, I think there should be... I think I could have caught up to the stream delay here. Ah, oh, Jesus. What a pain in the butt. Okay, there we go. Alright. Okay, so I don't know why this other stream is still around. I think I have to kill that off myself. It's sort of annoying. We'll do that later. Yeah, so welcome back. My computer had a brief lapse in power because there's no battery in my laptop right now. So that took down just about everything. Very bad, very bad. We're back. Take two. We've got second brew of tea. Second is always better than the first one. I upped the temp a little, so I wasn't feeling it quite so strong. So let's take a little swig here, and we will get back to it. Oh yeah, that's what we want. All right. Okay, so I now seem to be doing good here with my my component version of this thing. So let's give her Spotify. So that's good, and I think we could try just putting some of those in there to replace our current things we got. So throws, tips. Okay, so let's see. I think I have to restart this, unfortunately. I think that just completely crapped out. Yeah, but I might have just crapped out from this. All right, let's restart this server. Yeah, still don't know why this does not attach, or who to blame for that. I kind of blame the Microsoft terminal, but who knows? Okay. That did not look like the current version. Is it gonna open? Because I would expect things to look a little bit more gritty. Yeah, that's what I expect with this one. Okay, so that looks quite terrible with this thing, but that's what we were trying to do. So that's good. I think I should just try getting rid of that. Oh, that didn't work. That didn't work at all. So why on earth is it dumping all that stuff so violently to the bottom there? I'm not sure. Well, oh, it's because these are not in the entries container. So that's number one. Okay, so yeah, so that fixed that. All of these buttons should kind of work independent of each other now, right? Yeah. Good. We're not losing state. We're getting pretty close here. We're getting pretty close to the to what this is supposed to look like. So now I think I need to figure out two things. I have to sort of continue fucking around with centering and gridding all of this stuff correctly so it just looks the way I want. And number two, I actually have to connect it to a database somehow. And I don't know what that is going to sort of look like. We can check. So React native create a database using SQLite with Expo. That's what I want. Okay, so I got to. So they have some package for it. Put some plugin config. Okay. All right. So yeah, I have not done much direct like database stuff in the past. I've lived in in abstraction layers on top of databases. My first job ever was making Tableau dashboards, which is a fun one. One of these. So I'm familiar with some of like the terminology of how you connect to database, but I've never been the guy that's actually gone in there, written up queries and all this stuff. So I think this is going to be a little science experiment here, but I think this is what we want. If Expo is providing us a way to just do this, I say we take them up on that. Shoots, we have to kill the server again. Okay. Oh, that's pretty quick. Okay, so what do we do now? Okay, I have no idea what any of that means, so let's not mess around with it for now. So, do you actually build SQLite, or is this like a fake thing? I don't know. And what are these FTS extensions? Full text search. Okay. I actually probably I don't know whether I'll need that or not. School cipher implementations. Okay. So let's figure out what to do here. So yeah, we're gonna import it. But where are we going to import it to is the question. So I think this is creating a weight. Let me look up what that means. All right, at 8, I'm probably gonna have to drop off the stream again and bring it back up. This is just not my day for broadcasting. Okay, so async and await make promises easier, right? Async makes a function return a promise. Await makes a function wait for a promise. Okay. I think we need to go up here a little bit. Let's go up here. No, not that one. That I get. Okay, callbacks. So Callback is function passes in order. Executed in the sequence they're called, not in the sequence they're defined. Yeah, right. Wait, how does this display hello? What? My second. What is my displayer? Wait, what? How did that happen? Is it that this one like overwrote that one? Is that my understanding? Oh yeah, I think it literally overwrites that inner HTML. Oh, okay, I got you. Yes, okay, all right, got it. Okay, fine, I get it. All right, asynchronous. So blah blah blah. You use a callback function as. Well, where is my callback here? Okay, but you can make something asynchronous. Fine. Promise is an object that links the producing code and the consuming code. So this smells like some dynamic type bullshit that is making things creepy. So I think this is like creating a new the object that like looks like the same type, quote unquote, as the return of this function. But I think yeah, there's like more promises have extra stuff to it because it's wrapping around it. Yeah, look, so it's got state and result. Okay, all right. So what is the what is that actually doing here? What is that? I don't quite know what then is. Is that just like an inline if else based on what on state function value? I don't quite understand that. I kind of get what the promise is, but I don't quite get this. Then function value. So that, yeah, okay, like this is a success condition, but like what does this mean? Like, is this where it becomes asynchronous, or is it like when you promise it creates a new thread that is executing something? I assume actually in like base JavaScript here that you're not even creating threads yourself, right? Like these seem like I don't know. I don't know like what the heck is going on here, or if that might be a browser dependent implementation. Okay, but I kind of get that, and this is just how it works to whether your promise was fulfilled or not. I don't quite get the syntax here or like what the hell that's doing, but I understand what it's saying. Okay, so now we're here. So async makes a function return a promise. Okay. Await makes a function wait for a promise. Okay. Now what the hell does promise.resolve mean? I have no idea. Okay. Okay. Await keyword can only be used inside an async function. Await keyword makes the function pause execution, wait for the prompt. For a resolve prompt. So does that mean even if it resolves to like a failure, or I'm not sure. I don't quite know. How much of this do I need to know here? Some of it. This looks like some of it. Okay, so wait cannot happen on the main thread. That makes sense. Because otherwise, I think the actual main thread is the rendering thread. So you don't want to lock that up, or your screen's just gonna black out, right? Or I guess white out. I don't know what the like blank HTML looks like actually. That's probably browser specific. Okay, so I think I see what's going on here. I think I know enough to understand what this code is saying. So we are opening a database asynchronously. So this is blocking. So this has to happen, but because it's using the await, we have to do all of this in a not in the main thread. Now in React Native, are we even actually on the main thread, like with this file here? Like this because this is not actually the base HTML, and I don't think it's the base script function. I'm trying to figure out how this actually works. So React Native goes down to some JavaScript interpreter, right? And then actually translates that out to native UI components, right? So there is some JavaScript runtime that is the primary thing going on there. Now, I haven't used any non-native React to know kind of like what React does, unfortunately, at that lower level. How it is taking my components and the sort of like HTML tag looking things and turning them into actual HTML and CSS. That I don't quite understand, but I assume that React Native is doing something very similar to it. Yeah. All right. I think I'll have to take a little break here. I'll come back in like 5-10 minutes, and we'll continue on with this puzzling around.